Irish, Kate the Chemist here, coming to you live from the ND STEM studio. I am so excited to be part of ND Day because we are trying to take our Notre Dame science on the road to a city near you. That's right, you heard it correctly. We want to bring our experiments, our research, our faculty, our undergrad, our postdocs, everybody on this campus to somewhere across the country, hopefully in a city where you live. All right, so let's talk about what you'd be funding because we're trying to raise $3,000 from 60 different donors, and that could potentially be you. So dry ice isn't too bad. It's not too expensive. For a bucket like this, it costs about $20 to fill it with dry ice. This one's closer to $50. Liquid nitrogen, thankfully, is relatively inexpensive. So for a doer like this, I can hold 10 liters of liquid nitrogen, and it costs about 30 cents per liter, so we're really only talking about $3 here, so it's not too bad at all. But if we scale it up at all, and we put some liquid nitrogen in a soda bottle, and then put 1,500 of these bounce house balls over it, the price definitely goes up. I have spent over $300 on these bounce house balls over the last year because kids steal them. They go in the air, the kids get excited, and they start freaking out. And I can't really blame them. It's too much fun. I just love being this part of a scientist. All right, so as a special encouragement for you to please consider funding our Global Science Engagement Fund, we want to bring science out to you, and we want to do fun experiments like this. So let me do one quick inexpensive experiment for you. We're adding hot water to liquid nitrogen. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Let's go, Irish! Please consider supporting the Global Science Engagement Fund. We want to bring our Notre Dame research to you. We want to get people excited about science. We want people to see the cool things we do here. And with your support, we can definitely do that. All right, let's go, Irish!